I'm Lee. I have a degree in architecture, about 10 years experience in the construction field. And we have just about finished the kitchen remodel. All we have left to do is the countertops and decide on something on the floor. The first thing that you want to do, these have been, somebody tried to spray paint them before and they're all dinged up. You want to go through and you want to fill all the real deep holes. Just fill it with some wood filler. And then just take some rough grit sandpaper and a power sander. And you're just gonna, you don't have to sand it real, just pass over it a few times just to get it rough. And sometimes the sandpaper comes out, so you just want to put it back under the prong. And then once you're done sanding it, you just have to pass over it like twice. You're going to get some dust. I put an extra AC filter on my AC before I started to do this, just to catch any formica dust that's flying through the air. And then you just wipe it down real well and get all this dust off of it. And then you'll be ready to lay out your tile and decide on what pattern that you want to do. And that's how you would prepare the surface for tile installation.